Welcome to Morning Light. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home located in Tofte, Minnesota, near Tofte Park. This home features a living room that has a sitting area overlooking Lake Superior. The living room also has a flat screen TV, desk, and a sitting area. There is a dining room with seating up to 6 guests, and a small but very functional kitchen where you can prepare meals during your stay and enjoy the wood-burning fireplace. Off of the living area is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a queen-size bed, and lovely views of Lake Superior. The full bathroom is located between the living area and the master bedroom. Upstairs in the loft is the sitting area. From here, you can enjoy the beautiful stained glass. Off of the sitting area is the half bathroom and the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a queen-size bed and twin bunk beds. At Morning Light, you will find a spacious lake-facing deck with a table and hammock. There is also a sitting area and a fire pit for you to enjoy during your stay. You will love the Ledge Rock Beach. This has been Morning Light, a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home near Tofte Park. Book online today at www.cascadevacationrentals.com.